So anybody who does a lot of Jeeping knows that your seats and everything get really dirty really easy. So we have this little trick or hack or whatever you want to call it that we use to kind of take care of that. Doesn't take us too much time, it's not too much work, and allows us to be free. So what we do is we purchase these handy dandy seat covers from Amazon for about $30. Then we're able to go ahead, and as they get dirty, we don't have to worry about cleaning them. We just can take them off, put the new ones on. So the other thing that we do as well, I'll show you. We went ahead and had somebody that we know that has a business that makes stickers, iron-ons, and all of that, go ahead and make us an iron-on that matched the front of our Jeep so that we could go ahead and customize those cheap, or I should say inexpensive, $35 seat covers. And then they look fantastic. So that's our hack for today, and we hope it allows you to be free.